Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Changmin's first analysis. Changmin's first analysis request has been received. Changmin was as talented as his handsome appearance. I think it's been a while since I posted a first analysis because I'm not in good health. Also, there are a lot of requests for first analysis from overseas YouTube subscribers, and I'm analyzing them in turn. So please wait a little bit. And from now on, I would like to add life advice for a good life. Let's analyze Changmin's fortune together. Changmin's fortune says rain. He is very sensitive, but the tree's energy was strong. So I put a picture of the tree together. Large trees have the characteristics of wanting to grow forever. Right below the letter referring to himself is spouse's position. His spouse's place is a letter that means meeting a precious person. Therefore, he is blessed with a spouse, and he loves and cares about his spouse very much. It's a good fortune. Changmin is allied with the energy control, or the letters that control him. It's a letter that makes him look very pretty and handsome, and is combined with letters that make him look good. And the meaning of this alliance also means that Changmin always wants to behave properly. Changmin is a person who has very strong characters related to artistry. A nature artist is a nature entertainer. The energy is output, which corresponds to all letters tied in green. It's a very special fortune. It is the best luck for tasks that require great speaking skills and creativity. Energy is out of him, so he wants to express himself with all his energy. He has a lot of constitution that he can't get weight, and the result is very good. It has unique characteristics that others cannot follow in art activities. However, psychological futility can sometimes come as he pours out his energy. Therefore, he should always have time to look back on the result of the activity and accumulate them with his own. It's his fortune to meet precious wife, so he should always consult with her. And there is a characteristic of emotional ups and downs. I think it would be good to have a hobby that can overcome this well. Today, I analyzed Changmin's fortune as a born entertainer and artist. It's too simple and has a strong personality. So I finished the analysis briefly. Please develop further and be happy. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.